Is your Samsung fingerprint sensor suddenly not working? Don't worry, you are not alone, and the fix is often easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you simple, safe and effective troubleshooting step to get your fingerprint sensor working again without complicated settings or expensive repair. Let's get started. First of all, you can restart your phone. To do that, simply long press the power and volume down button on your phone. From the pop-up menu appear, find the restart option, click on it, then confirm by tapping again and wait to complete the restart portion and back on your phone. After that, you can open the settings menu on your phone. Once you are in the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the software update option, click on it. After that, if you are used to older software version, hit the download and install button, or if you are used latest such as One UI 8.5, tap on the check for updates and wait to checking complete. If you can see any update available in your phone, make sure to update the latest version your phone. Once the phone is up to date, back to the previous settings, scroll down and look for the lock screen and UD option, tap on it. After that, hit the screen lock and biometrics option at the top. Now verify to enter your current password. Once you verified, you can open the page. Scroll down to the biometrics section, find the fingerprint option, click on it. Here you can see all of current added your fingerprint listed there. For example, fingerprint 1, fingerprint 2. If you can see your fingerprint don't work, don't panic. You can simply remove the fingerprints. To do that, tap on the fingerprint name, hit remove. Then tap again. After, if you want to decide to remove second fingerprint also, don't panic. At the same process, tap on the fingerprint name, hit remove, then hit remove again. Now, if you are done, then tap on the add fingerprint option. After that, tap on continue, hit register button, then simply register your newly fingerprint. You can press your finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Make sure you don't skip. You can also just press the fingerprint sensor on your phone in your finger. You can follow this process by 100%. So press again on your phone. Once your finger completely added 100%, simply hit the done button and maybe your problem is solved. To check it works, simply lock your phone and try to unlock by using your fingerprint sensor. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips, Android fixes and easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, take care.